Lion's mane, Hericium erinaceus, a fascinating medicinal mushroom, has been treasured in traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine for centuries. Also known as the Yamabushitake, or monkey head mushroom, it stands out with its unique appearance, resembling a lion's mane. Beyond its intriguing look, lion's mane offers an array of health benefits that have captured the attention of modern science and health enthusiasts worldwide. In this video, we'll delve into the 10 impressive benefits of lion's mane and explore how it can enhance your overall well-being. What is lion's mane? Lion's mane is a mushroom that belongs to the tooth fungus group. This mushroom, known as the lion's mane, is commonly found on hardwood trees, especially in North America, Europe, and Asia. Its name originates from the long, shaggy, white tendrils that closely resemble a lion's mane. In traditional medicine, lion's mane has been revered for its healing properties and is commonly used to treat various ailments. Lion's mane is considered safe for most people. Some individuals may experience mild side effects such as digestive discomfort or allergic reactions. While lion's mane can offer benefits, it must be consumed in moderates. Read recommended consumption on label. Consult with your healthcare provider before adding it to your diet. This is not a medical video. It's an educational purpose only. Lion's mane should not be replaced with other medications, and you should always check with your healthcare provider before consuming with other medications. Number 1. Cognitive enhancement. Lion's mane is renowned for its ability to support cognitive function. It contains compounds that may stimulate the production of nerve growth factors in the brain, promoting the growth and repair of brain cells. Regular consumption of lion's mane has been linked to improved memory, focus, and mental clarity. Lion's mane's cognitive benefits stem from its ability to stimulate the release of a protein called nerve growth factor, NGF. NGF plays a crucial role in the development, maintenance, and survival of nerve cells. Studies suggest that lion's mane can increase NGF levels in the brain, which may lead to enhanced neuroplasticity and synaptic function. Improved cognitive function can benefit individuals of all ages, from students seeking better focus during exams to seniors aiming to support their memory and mental acuity. The neuroprotective properties of lion's mane also make it a promising candidate for potential use in addressing age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Number 2. Nervous system support. The bioactive substances found in lion's mane have a positive impact on the nervous system. They may help protect nerve fibers, reducing the risk of nerve-related disorders. Additionally, lion's mane has shown promise in aiding the regeneration of damaged nerves. The nervous system is a complex network of cells and fibers, responsible for transmitting signals between various parts of the body and the brain. Nerve damage or degeneration can lead to a range of neurological issues, such as peripheral neuropathy, a condition characterized by tingling, numbness, and pain in the extremities. Lion's mane contains unique compounds known as hericinones and erinaceus, which have been found to stimulate nerve growth and repair. These compounds can enhance the production of nerve growth factors and myelin, a protective sheath around nerve fibers. By promoting nerve regeneration and repair, lion's mane may support individuals recovering from nerve injuries and potentially assist those with neurological conditions. Number 3. Immune system boost. The mushroom's immune-boosting properties can be attributed to its polysaccharide content. These compounds enhance the activity of immune cells, strengthening the body's defense against infections and illnesses. A robust immune system is crucial for maintaining overall health and protecting the body against pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, and other harmful invaders. The immune system comprises a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to identify and eliminate foreign substances. Lion's mane contains beta-glucans, a type of polysaccharide known for its immunomodulatory effects. Beta-glucans can activate immune cells, including macrophages and natural killer cells, which are responsible for detecting and destroying pathogens. Regular consumption of lion's mane can strengthen the immune system's response to infections and potentially reduce the risk of illnesses. Number 4, anti-inflammatory properties. Lion's mane contains powerful antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. By reducing inflammation, it may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions. In response to infections and tissue damage, inflammation serves as a natural immune response, assisting the body in its defense mechanisms and promoting tissue repair. However, chronic inflammation can be harmful and is associated with various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain autoimmune disorders. Lion's mane contains antioxidant compounds, such as hericinones and erinacines, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. These compounds also possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help suppress the production of pro-inflammatory molecules. Research suggests that lion's mane may be particularly beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Number 5. Antioxidant effects. The high levels of antioxidants in lion's mane help neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage. The overall health and well-being are positively influenced by the antioxidant activity. Antioxidants are molecules that neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage. Free radicals are produced naturally during various metabolic processes, and exposure to environmental factors such as pollution, UV radiation, and unhealthy diets can increase their levels. Prolonged exposure to free radicals can lead to oxidative stress, which may damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Lion's mane contains a rich array of antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids, which have potent free radical scavenging abilities. By neutralizing free radicals, lion's mane helps protect cells from oxidative damage and supports overall cellular health. Number 6, digestive health improvement. Certain compounds in lion's mane can promote digestive health by supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Having a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for ensuring proper digestion and optimal nutrient absorption. Lion's mane contains prebiotic fibers such as beta-glucans and polysaccharides, which serve as food for beneficial gut bacteria. When these prebiotics reach the colon, they stimulate the growth and activity of probiotics, such as bifidobacteria and lactobacillus. This helps maintain a balanced gut flora and enhances the gut's ability to process food efficiently. A healthy gut microbiome is associated with various benefits, including improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and a reduced risk of gastrointestinal issues such as constipation and diarrhea. Moreover, a balanced gut flora is crucial for supporting the immune system, as a significant portion of the immune system is located in the gut. Number 7, cardiovascular health support. Lion's mane may positively affect heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol levels and supporting healthy blood pressure. These benefits contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Heart disease remains a leading cause of mortality worldwide, emphasizing the importance of adopting heart-healthy habits and incorporating beneficial supplements like lion's mane. Several studies have demonstrated that lion's mane extracts can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol are associated with an increased risk of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the buildup of plaque in the arteries, potentially leading to heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, lion's mane may aid in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Hypertension or high blood pressure is a significant risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. By promoting blood vessel dilation and supporting vascular health, lion's mane may contribute to blood pressure regulation. Number 8, energy and mood enhancement. Regular consumption of lion's mane may lead to increased energy levels and a more balanced mood. It is believed to promote the production of neurotransmitters that play a role in regulating mood and emotions. Many individuals face the challenge of maintaining optimal energy levels throughout the day, often resorting to stimulants like caffeine. However, relying solely on stimulants can lead to energy crashes and dependency. Lion's mane offers a natural alternative for promoting sustained energy without the jitters associated with caffeine consumption. Lion's mane promotes energy by supporting healthy mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are often referred to as the powerhouses of cells, as they produce the energy required for cellular activities. By enhancing mitochondrial function, lion's mane helps improve overall energy production in the body. Number 9, Neuroprotective Benefits. The neuroprotective properties of lion's mane make it a promising candidate for supporting brain health as we age. It has the potential to provide protection against neurodegenerative conditions. As we age, the brain is susceptible to cellular damage and neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. These conditions are characterized by the progressive degeneration of neurons, leading to cognitive decline and motor impairments. Lion's mane contains bioactive compounds that have been shown to promote nerve growth and support the production of crucial brain proteins. These compounds, such as hericinones and erinaceus, have neuroprotective effects, potentially safeguarding neurons from damage and enhancing brain health. Studies have indicated that lion's mane may improve cognitive function in individuals with mild cognitive impairment, a condition that often precedes dementia. The mushroom's ability to stimulate nerve growth and support neuronal connections contributes to its potential as a preventive and therapeutic agent for neurodegenerative disorders. Number 10. Skin health promotion. Lion's mane possesses properties that could benefit the skin. Its antioxidants may help combat signs of aging and promote a healthy complexion. The skin is the body's largest organ, and its health and appearance are influenced by various factors, including age, lifestyle, and environmental exposures. Free radicals and oxidative stress can accelerate skin aging, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and a loss of skin elasticity. Lion's mane possesses a wealth of antioxidants that can assist in neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, potentially slowing down the aging process. By protecting skin cells from damage, lion's mane may help maintain a youthful appearance and improve skin texture.